guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video. So it is a clean and decorate with me video. So I am starting to put on my fall decorations, and before I do any type of decorating in my house for any season, I always clean up really well. When the seasons do change, I do take a little bit of extra time into my cleaning routine, and I really do some deep cleaning before I set out all of my new seasonal decor. So I'm going to be decorating for fall. I love fall and I am so excited to clean and decorate with you guys. Before we jump into the cleaning and decorating, I just want to let you guys know today is actually sponsored by Grove Collaborative. I have worked with Grove Collaborative before, and I order from Grove Collaborative about once a month. So Grove Collaborative sells natural cleaning products. So you have Ms Meyers, you have Method, 7th Generation, and then there's also natural beauty products as well. You could do paper products, you can do baby products, there's so much. So this month Grove Collaborative is offering a free gift if it is your first time signing up for Grove. So you'll have a link in the description box for you guys to go ahead and shop Grove, and make sure you use the link below if you want to go ahead and get those free gifts that they are offering. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. cannot do videos like this without you guys. So I'm actually gonna throw in a giveaway in this video as well. So I'm gonna give away my favorite products from Grove Collaborative. So if you wanna be entered to win this giveaway, then just make sure you're subscribed and comment what you're looking forward to for the fall. So I'm gonna be giving away the Method Antibacterial Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I'm also gonna give away the Ms Meyers Pumpkin Dish Soap. I'm also gonna give away my favorite floor cleaner, which is the Method Wood for Good Squirt Mop Solution. I'm also gonna give away the Method Steel for Real stainless steel polish. And I'm gonna give away the Ms Meyers Clean Day Apple Cider Scent Multi-Purpose Cleaner and the apple cider scent in the dish soap. So good luck to everyone. Make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment below of what you're looking forward to for the fall. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. In the next few weeks, I'm actually going to be doing a fall home decor video. It's a collab with a few of my friends here, so definitely subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for that video if you want to see what my whole entire house looks like once I am done decorating for fall. So I like to take my time. I don't like to overwhelm myself with everything, so I like to go through my decor. I like to see what I'm going to use this year, what I'm not going to use this year. So I'd rather just donate what I'm not using. So what I do is actually donate to my daughter's school because the classrooms always like to decorate. So that's what I do with the decor that I know I'm not going to use and I may not use for future years to come. So that is what I do with my old decor that I'm not going to use. I donate it to my daughter's school. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you use those links below in the description box to order from Grove so you can get your free gifts. I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.